Hi guys, it's Jeff again, the Photographer's Mentor, and in this video I want to talk about trial offers. Now what this is something which I class as like a low risk minimum outlay for a potential client to try out your services and sort of bridge down the barriers really, so that you're not putting, you might have a package that is £1,000 or £2,000 or £3,000, and that might be a lot of money for somebody to outlay just to before they've actually established how good you are. So if they haven't had recommendations of a friend or family member or another business colleague, then sometimes it's a good idea to have what I call a taster package or a trial package that is a much smaller amount that allows somebody to taste or trial your services with a very small amount of risk. Now, I'll give you a few examples of this. So say for instance you're a food photographer and you do food photography for hotels and restaurants, and you have a monthly social media package that includes 31 images and a banner image and a slideshow as well, and that costs £1,800. Okay, now what you might do is you might do a 5-day taster package for £99, and what that is, it's basically just 5 images. So you'll come out, you'll photograph 5 of the dishes, and they will then get 5 images to try out on social media for £99. So they get a chance to see how good you are at what you do. And then if they decide to book you, if they decide to go for your big monthly package with the slideshow and maybe a bit of video and all that sort of stuff, then what you'll do is you'll take that £99 off that they've just spent on the taster package off the cost of the full package. So what you're doing is you're reducing that risk for the potential client. You're giving them a chance to try you out with a minimum amount of risk to themselves. And I wouldn't give away these taster packages to anybody. It's only to potential clients that you think are going to be worthwhile. So if you have maybe a hotel chain that's got 6 or 7 hotels or restaurants or something like that, and you think, yeah, these guys are probably going to be using me on a regular basis, so I'll give them a taster for £99 so they can try me out. And then what you do is if you promise them 5 images, then give them 8. Give them a little bit extra. Go that extra mile. Give them a panoramic banner image as well for the Facebook. So you over-deliver. You impress them. You impress them with that first little trial. You tell them that you're going to have the images ready in 5 days, but you give them in 2. So from day 1 of their interaction with you, you've over-delivered. You've impressed them. So they're that blown away with the services that they gave that they know when they come to buy the real package, the real deal, the top package, that you're going to give it 110%, that you are the photographer for them. Another couple of ideas: wedding photographers. Obviously you can't do a free wedding, a sample wedding, and then do your real wedding later on. But what you could do is an engagement shoot. So an engagement shoot for bride and groom, and they would get maybe a 16 by 12 print as well, and the shoot might cost maybe, say again, £99, but they would get either a 16 by 12 print or maybe 3 or 4 high resolution images, digital images that they can use on their own social media or use to print out themselves. Now, if they decide to go ahead and book you as their wedding photographer, not only will you reduce that £99 off the cost of their wedding package, you will also give them maybe 50 save the date cards with that image from their engagement on. And on the back of the save the date cards will have your USP, whatever your unique selling point is, whatever your strapline is, something about your business, photographs I guarantee you will love, or something like that. And it will have your Facebook page and your website as well. Because remember, a lot of the bride and groom to be's friends and bridesmaids and stuff like that are probably at wedding age anyway. So if they get a save the date card that's got your details on the back, then they're going to see your Facebook page and they're going to see your website as well. So that's a really good idea for weddings, to encourage them to come and try you out, so they get to actually interact and see how relaxed they are with their photographer, so they know that when they book you, they've booked you not only because you do fantastic work, but because you totally put them at ease, and they know that's how you're going to make them feel on their wedding day. So have a bit think about your business, think about what your ideal clients want and how you can give them a taster for a very low risk amount to give them a chance to try your services out. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Just if you're wondering, yes, that is my gin collection in the background. I do like a bit of gin now and then. I tend not to drink it during the week, but I'll have a little treat on a weekend. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you've got any questions, as always, just drop me a message. I'm always happy to help, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks again. Take care. Bye now.